أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين والصلاة والسلام على سيد المرسلين وعلى آله وأصحابه أجمعين. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Our today's topic is about bad dreams or nightmares. Whenever you see an unpleasant and frightening dream, don't tell anyone about it. Seek refuge in Allah Almighty from its evil, and inshallah ta'ala you will be safe from its harm. Hazrat Abu Salma radhiyallahu ta'ala anhu said, I used to say nightmares that would make me ill. When I mentioned it to Hazrat Abu Qatada radhiyallahu ta'ala anhu, he told me that the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, a good dream is from Allah Almighty. So if any one of you sees a good dream, let him not tell it to anyone except to one whom he loves and trusts. And if he sees a bad dream, let him not tell anyone about it, but rather seek refuge in Allah Almighty from its evil and say, A'udhu billahi minash shaytanir rajim, and blow 3 times to his left side and change his positions by turning to the other side. This way, he will be protected from the evil of the dream. This hadith emphasizes the importance of seeking refuge in Allah Almighty and taking specific actions to protect oneself from the evil of bad dreams. The Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam would often sit after Fajr prayer and say, whoever has seen a dream, let him narrate it. May the good of the dream be for him, and may he be protected from its evil. May there be good for us and evil for our enemies. And praise to be Allah, the Lord of the world. When someone would get scared or disturbed by the dream, the Prophet ﷺ would teach them this dua to recite. The dua is, A'udhu bi kalimatillahi tammati min ghazabihi wa iqabihi wa sharri ibadihi wa min hamazati shayatini wa an yahdurun. Translation is, I seek refuge in the words of Allah from His punishment, His anger, the evil of His creatures, the evil whispers of the shayateen, and from them coming to me. This dua is a powerful way to seek protection from Allah's punishment and evil, and to calm one's fear and anxieties caused by bad dreams. If you ever get scared or disturbed by a dream, recite this dua to remove fear and anxiety, and teach it to your children as well. This encourages seeking refuge in Allah Almighty and reciting a specific prayer to alleviate fear and distress caused by bad dreams, and passing this knowledge to the next generation too. May Allah Almighty grant us better understanding and help us in every way. Sallallahu wa sallam wa barik ala Sayyidina wa Maulana Muhammadin wa alihi wa ashabihi ajma'in. Wa ma alayna illa al-balaghul mubin.